Here you go, let's go. HoonTV!
That's Adam. He's almost as annoying as that sound on the roast. And I'm just going to try and film something while Adam's grinding again. Rear bumper getting modified. This was the original sort of setup I did. We're going to cut the ends off, we're going to tube it instead. So what we're doing is currently messing around with the bar work. We've just got a piece of offcut just to, you know, look at some angles and stuff like that. And yeah, Tori loves building custom bars and stuff like that. So we decided to customize what's on the car already. I wasn't really happy with the way I'd finished off the edges of them. Messing around here using this sexy new bender, and yeah, so what we come up with.
Actually not bad.
Nice.
Yeah, that'll work.
Alright, so that's what was here before. It's a bit of rectangular bar with our dummy tube roughly in there. You can hold it properly. That there fits up nice against the body. Nice little gap in there. Line that all up. Weld that and make that all neat on the end there. All the way down there. And there's Adam.
Yeah.
So there we have it. That's in there, a little bit of tightening up with the welds, finish that weld across there. And then we're making a bash plate underneath. It's gonna have some cool dimple dies in it. Alright, yeah, we've got two plates here. These are 3mm 150 wide. This bloke here in the shield with the drill is going to dimple die them. We're going to trim them and make them fit. What's wrong, Adam?
Some stole my wallet. Oh, didn't go well. Listening to that.
Oh, g'day. How you going? Oh, look, there's no more door on this side.
Don't get me. Oh, man. I've had no shave. I'm in a shirt. Hold that up there, you guy. Get you.
Alright, this is Craig.
Hello.
Hashtag ultra race cars. Hashtag grumpy old man. What are we doing, Tori?
Measuring up for a roll cage.
Yeah, because every Landcruiser needs a roll cage. Yeah.
For the off-roading you're going to do?
Yeah. I'll have to. LS the world.
Burnside car park.
Yeah.
Turo tractor.
6 months.
That should work alright.
Greetings from the Riverland. We're really deep in this project now. Things are starting to happen, and man, citrus country, South Australia, with my big buffoon Hoonatic buddy Jason, who took all of the oxygen out of the vehicle on the way up here, so we can come up and pick up a VF SS 6-litre engine to go in the Landcruiser. These guys specialise in engine packages, especially LS engine packages for vehicle builds, so let's go inside and get us an engine.
Hello.
That's a nice vest. How come she's not wearing a vest?
Because I work here.
No.
And it's like I'm a danger to everybody, so they're putting a warning sign on.
I'll bring the full picture.
Okay.
I spend my entire life at racetracks wearing high-vis vests. Now I've got to do it in a
I live
wrecking
my
yard
life
just in case I
vest at a time.
bang my head on this. Yeah.
Helmet.
It's,
This is my natural. Yeah, I love being in wrecking yards. I feel like.
well, you love being in wrecking yards because it's pretty much all you're good at, wrecking stuff.
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah.
I appreciate you. You think they do mainly crate engines?
Well, no, apparently they do a really great job of it. Oh, look at that! Hang on, hang on.
I wouldn't buy it from anywhere else.
Shout out to our mate Steve Gosby.
Wow, look at that! 454.
I was going to say, well, that's definitely not going in the Landcruiser.
That's a cool thing.
So what are we looking at, Jason?
6 litre. 6 litre. Full of. Sure beats a 3 litre. RB30. This is 2. And it's 4 cylinders put together. VF Series 2 6 litre multi-speed auto trans with all the good fruit and bits and pieces. Should be good for about a lot of horsepower. And we're going to put it in the back of our trailer, and I'm going to have a. Hang on a second. I've got this is 8 cylinders. So I'm going to have a 14-cylinder Commodore. How good's that?
You see what I've got to deal with here? Actually got to get in a car with this moron and drive back to Adelaide.
Yeah, but it's going to
It's
be
only
a
'cause I bought him a-
14-cylinder car, mate. How good's that?
I bought him a bag of lollies before and now the sugar's just
He wanted
gone.
me to hop in his van with him.
So, correction on that, this is a VF SS Commodore engine, Series 1, 6 litre, not the 6.2, L77. Got a 6L80E auto out of a VE Commodore, and this apparently got a VCM cam package in it too, which saves me a couple of grand of.
Yeah.
I'll beep this
And
out.
Casey's helping us out. Hello.
There you go. So we're going to stick this in the trailer, and then hopefully it'll find its way in the Landcruiser in the next couple of weeks. This is the bit where we find out if your trailer's wide enough for a pallet.
It is. It's exactly right. You got a bit more. Keep going. Keep going. Yeah. Who's that calling? That's my mum. Hello. How are you? Have I got your good side? Turn around.
Every side of me is good.
You sure? You look very, what's the word I'm looking for?
Spelt.
How good's that, mate?
Man, my lips are so cracked from the weekend.
Are they? What were you getting up to?
I was running around the pits at Sandown
Oh, I thought you were hanging out with Rob Sharp
with a
again.
cold, so my nose was blocked, so I was breathing.
Which side of your nose?
All of it, and that's a lot of nose to block.
Let's have a look from the sides.
Yeah.
Wow. All right, Casey, do your thing. Mark, round of applause for Casey. Golf clap. No burnouts.
I think I found your old territory. Look, I love that car. It was my favourite car ever.
I had no connection to that car at all. If that's that car, I would go, that's the best way for that car to end. I hated that freaking territory. Yeah?
Here you go. Let's go.
If you could build a sub $2,000 project car out of what you see in this yard here, what would it be? I'll tell you mine first.
Go.
V6 Camry engine in A91 Corolla.
Okay, sub 2000 car, anything running and cut all the weight off of it.
That's boring.
Well, what else are you going to build here? Mid-mount LS, massive airbox on the front of the thing. All right, we're going to get Casey to do something that's probably going to get her sacked. Casey, you've driven the forklift. Do you handle the power?
I'm giving it. Not racing.
I think it'd only get her sacked if she started doing donuts around the yard in it.
It's fun though.
If it catches fire, I'm running away.
Fair call.
Hit it!
Oh, another phone rings.
It's all
Hang
right.
up.
Just leave the keys in it, we'll take it.
My knees hurt.
I'll take it.
Start her up. I'm holding on.
Hang on. So yeah, like I was saying, if you need an LS for something like that, then these are the guys to come and see. Oh yeah, by the way, this is the race car.
I just drove it between here
That's cool as... They, you know, they've got a lot of stock here, but they usually alternate it from spot to spot. Yeah, so this is the donor car that it came out of, so good reason the engine came out of this car, because the back of it's kind of a hatchback now.
I won't say I wished I had a better quality of chip, because I enjoyed my life with good chips. It's like people saying, you know, life's too short to drink cheap wine. Life's too short to drink crap chips. Eat crap chips, so eat good ones. Yeah?